In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to securely access your Gmail account using a private browser on Microsoft Edge. Let's get started by locating Microsoft Edge on your desktop. Once you open it, you'll notice a screen with a distinct white background along with the familiar Microsoft name and logo. It's important to know how to use private browsing when accessing your emails because this step ensures that your privacy is maintained and any account information remains undisclosed. To get started with private browsing, direct your attention to the top right section of the window. Here you'll find an icon represented by 3 dots arranged horizontally. Go ahead and click on this icon. Doing so will reveal a menu offering various options. What we are focusing on are the first 3 selections: New Tab, New Window, and New in Private Window. For our purposes today, you should select the third option, New in Private Window. Once you click on New in Private Window, you'll notice a change in appearance. The screen will now present itself with a background that's dark gray. At the same time, you'll see the words In Private Browsing prominently displayed. This mode is crucial because it doesn't store your browsing history, cookies, or any login credentials, providing you with an added layer of security. So you can browse with the confidence that once you close the window, your sensitive information will not be stored on the computer. Now that we're in private browsing mode, we can proceed to Gmail. Guide your pointer to the address bar located at the top of the screen. Here, you simply need to type in mail.google.com. That will direct you straight to the Gmail login page. Once you've arrived at the Gmail login interface, go ahead and enter your username. Right after that, you'll be prompted to enter your password. Now, if you're using a smartphone associated with your Google account, you might encounter an added security step. Google often requires account verification for extra protection. In such cases, they might send a verification code to your phone. It's crucial to keep an eye out for that text message. When you receive the code, type it into the required field and you should gain access to your Gmail account securely. By using the In Private mode in Microsoft Edge, you can rest assured that your login details haven't been saved, offering peace of mind for the next time you're accessing your emails on a shared or public computer. This practice is one of the effective ways to enhance your online privacy. If you found this video helpful, feel free to like, comment, and subscribe for more insightful tutorials.